Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Listen, today I'm going to make some salmon patties, and I'm using 3 cans of salmon, boneless, skinless. Comes out just like tuna fish. And I put it in this bowl, and I broke it up really fine. No big, you don't want big chunks, with a fork. And we're just going to go through here and add some stuff to it, and you can follow along. I am going to get some salt in here and some pepper. We used to eat these when I was a kid. And I'm going to use some onion powder, a little bit. And I'm going to put some parsley in there. I'm also going to be adding some just a pinch of Worcester sauce. And you can certainly use fresh parsley. I just didn't have any. And I'm going to add some really fine chopped up onion. And you could use green onion. We're also going to add some flour to this mixture. I don't want to get too much. I want just enough to hold it together. My mother always used the one that had the bones in it. I never liked that. I liked the salmon patty, but I didn't like the bones. Never could get them all out. So this is 1/4 cup. I don't want to go too heavy with this. Okay, pretty much took 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to fry them in the pan in some olive oil. Might need a tad more flour. And I'm going to add 1 egg. And I'm just going to put my Worcester sauce right in that egg. Just a little bit. Just to give it a pinch of flavor. Let's see. We're going to switch to the spatula. Give it a really good mix. Make sure it's holding together well. And I want to see that parsley in there. So, if I was using fresh parsley, it would certainly show up more. It looks very nice. Look at that, all mixed up, nice. Let's see if she'll hold together and not be too wet. I'm going to dip them, once I make patties, into this crumbled up Ritz crackers. And I only used 1 small short sleeve of the Ritz crackers. I just want small little patties. Looks like we're going to get a few out of here. I'm not making a huge batch. Get a nice little round patty there. And I'm going to dip it right in my cracker mixture. You could use regular crackers for this. Set those right there. I'm going to do up a few of these, and then I'm going to do them all, and then I'm going to fry them. Using some olive oil. You could cook this in butter, but I'm worried the butter will burn. And my son brought me some sun-dried tomato garlic parmesan olive oil. So it smells really good. I'm excited to use it. And I'm going to put, let's see, maybe a tablespoon. And hopefully my pan's not too hot. A little sizzle in there. Just trying to get a little brown on these. Wow, that is an amazing smell. I'm excited to try these. Getting ready to flip these. And I didn't add garlic to the mix because there's garlic and Parmesan in here. And I could have added some Parmesan cheese, but I forgot. So I'm going to give these a flip. Just want to get them nice and golden brown. Little crispy is what I want. Look at that. Beautiful. And they don't look to be falling apart, which is also what I want. Oh, those are gorgeous. Look at that. I'm going to cook these up, then we're going to give them a taste. Cooking beautifully in this pan. Olive oil's doing a wonderful job and smells delicious. Alright guys, our salmon patties are done. Oh, that's beautiful, right? Those look amazing. And I'm going to try this because they smell so good. Wow. That's really good. Really good. See you guys next time.